Now today's sponsor is Saily. More on that later.
Now this is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and this is Cebu, Philippines. From crystal clear waters to jungle-covered peaks, this tiny drone captured it all effortlessly. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy TechTricks, and in this video, I'm reviewing the DJI Mini 4 Pro. And after using it for some time, to take some beautiful spots in the Philippines, now the DJI Mini 4 Pro is under 249 grams, which means no registration in most countries, including in the Philippines. I like how it folds down, fits in a small pouch, and takes off in seconds. Now, before I even got this thing flying, I needed a mobile data. I had to check drone flight zones, of course, because, with restrictions and all. I had to update the firmware of the drone. I was also trying to sync footage. Everything needs a connection. And that's where Saily comes in. Saily is a brand new eSIM service app. And actually, this is my secret weapon, for staying connected while traveling. Now, before going to the Philippines, I just downloaded the app, choose the, from one of the affordable data plans in 180 plus countries or global regions, and boom, your eSIM is ready to go. So when you land in the Philippines, all you gotta do is activate that SIM. Right away, you are good to go. No more airport SIM card scams or hunting for sketchy public Wi-Fi. Saily installs once and works across multiple countries, saving me time, money, and stress. Now, it's compatible with all eSIM compatible devices, like most iPhones nowadays, and newer Android devices. It has a 24/7 support, and if your phone isn't compatible, full refund guaranteed. So, if you're planning a trip or even just dreaming of one, download the Saily app now and stay connected wherever you go. And of course, I always got you guys. Get 15% off with the code TechTricks. Download the app now and go to saily.com/techtricks. Now, I just love the Mini 4 Pro. It flies like a dream. The new OcuSync 4.0 gives you 20 kilometers of range. The interface is clean, and for beginners, it's super intuitive and super easy to use. Now, the return to home feature is super accurate. It takes off so smooth, and even in windy spots, near cliffs, it handled like a pro. Now, this thing shoots 4K at 100 frames per second, 10-bit D-Log-M as well, and has a 1-1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Translation, it has gorgeous, detailed footage that's color graded like a dream. The dynamic range is better than I expected from a drone this small. For the most part, I used the automatic setting, and that was good enough for my footage. For those of you who doesn't know how to color grade, I would recommend just shooting in auto. So that way, you don't have to worry about the colors. You can do that later on by just tweaking it a little bit. And here's where it really levels up. The Active Track 360. Now you can orbit around yourself while moving, biking, or even swimming. It feels like a floating cameraman that never complains. And for the first time on the Mini line, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It detects objects from all sides, perfect for flying in tight jungle trails or between palm trees. Now, the battery life is around 34 minutes per flight, and I usually get 3 solid flights before needing a charge. I usually have 2 extra batteries because the one I have is the Fly More combo. So if you're traveling a lot, I recommend buying the Fly More combo. For me, I think the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a truly travel drone. It's very small, powerful, legal in most countries, and it fits right in your sling or day pack. So, should you get the DJI Mini 4 Pro? Now, if you travel a lot, or you're a content creator, or just want a killer first drone that punches way above its weight, this is the one for you. It's lightweight, smart, and the footage speaks for itself. Now, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget, if you're planning to travel and fly, make sure you're connected. Use the Saily eSIM and get that 15% off with my code down in the description below. Download the app ahead of time so that before you get to your destination, you are good to go. I've also pinned all this in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!